kasi ito is nagsa-sideways, so there is no trend, okay, hindi nag-uptrend and downtrend. Okay, so paano naman kung nag-downtrend or nag-uptrend? Punta tayo sa uptrend. Okay, like this. Okay, yan, maganda example yan. Okay, actually gumuwi ka dyan ng parallel trend line. Okay, i-connect mo yung high. Okay, high, tapos yung mga high nya, ayan, yun. Diyan ka nagkaroon ng high. Okay, yan. So another line, ayan yung ating magiging resistance, ito naman yung magiging support. Okay, so mukha ba yung parallel, yan. Okay, so otherwise dito yung support green. Okay, otherwise ang gamitin nyo is ito, yung parallel channel. Okay, why? Kasi itong i-connect natin sa range trading. Okay, ito another form of range trading pag nag-uptrend. Okay, meron sa channel. Okay, kukonek mo yung higher highs at saka yung higher lows. Okay, pag nag-downtrend, connect mo yung lower highs at saka lower lows. Okay, tapos makikita mo may range dyan. Okay, tapos dyan ka magkakaroon ng strategy mo. So ito is trend line channel strategy. Okay, so another form ng range trading. Okay, magsisell kapag malapit na sa resistance, and magbabay kapag malapit na roon sa trend line mo na parallel sa bandang ibaba na support mo. Right?